Hey guys, it's Amara. Welcome back to German Made Easy for You. In today's video, we're going to be talking about different verbs made by adding prefixes to the verb machen. So let's get started. The meaning of the verb machen is to do or to make. But when prefixes are attached to the verb, the meaning completely changes. So let's take a look. Abmachen. To remove, to arrange, or to agree. For example, ich mache das Plastik ab. Macht einen Termin ab. Abgemacht, dass wir das so machen. The verb anmachen means to turn on. For example, ich mache alle Lichter an. The verb ausmachen means to turn off. Wie macht man den Fernseher aus? Aufmachen, to open. Wir machen unsere Briefe auf. The verb zumachen means to close. For example, kannst du das Fenster zumachen? The verb mitmachen means to participate. For example, möchtest du am Spiel mitmachen? Vormachen, to demonstrate or to pretend. Sie macht die Tanzschritte vor. Nachmachen, to copy or to imitate. For example, das Kind macht seinen Bruder nach. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. Wir sehen uns dann bald. Tschüss!